I have the right to share my screen, right?
Yeah. Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's session. My name is Harsh and I'm a strategic marketing consultant at Deluxe Consultants. Today we are presenting work from home, the new normal presented by Rajat Singhania. Just to like a small brief about the project is managed a team of coders and developers to create the software solutions and mobile apps for his clients in the US and India. Without any question, if you have any question, please unmute and ask question at the end. Now, without more time, we can go to Rajat. Rajat, bye, please.
Good evening, everyone. Am I clearly audible? And I hope you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. So, can we have everyone's mic muted because there's some disturbance coming from someone's mic? Yeah. Okay. So, work from home, the new normal. Okay. Okay. So, first question: who am I to talk about this? So, my name is Rajat Singhania. I have 30 years of business experience and 35 years experience in IT services to set up and run multiple businesses. And I have recently created a go-to solution to manage remote teams and work from home people with the required checks and security which is required for any business. Okay, so let's first understand what are the basic terms and what are we talking about. So what does work from home really mean? So okay, so one is, I'm sure the term is self-explanatory, but let me still define it for people who are not sure. So work from home means doing productive, organized, and systematic work from the comfort of your home, as similar as possible to the way you would work from an office. So it means creating an office in your home. It does not mean casual work, which you do once in a while when you feel like it, or when there's a need to do it once in a while. So we are talking about regular, consistent work, which needs to be done as similar to an office environment as possible. So as I mentioned, so the most important thing when we talk about work from home is, let's talk about the employee's perspective. Okay, so the most important thing when we talk about an employee's perspective is the mindset. So the employee has to be aligned to the fact that the home becomes the workplace and they need to work from home the same way they would work from an office. You know, there's a saying that if there are two elephants pulling apart from each other, neither one ends up gaining anything. So if you as the business owner and your employee are aligned with the same objectives and are pushing towards the same direction, you would definitely end up gaining. So some other points. So for that to happen, there are certain necessary requirements. Okay, so which are those? For the employee to be working from home, the first thing, the employee needs to set aside office hours and follow those religiously. It cannot be random. You need to dedicate a space in your home
Rajat,
which becomes your office.
your screen is not visible.
I'm sorry?
Your presentation is not visible. Something error here.
Okay. 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 Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Oh,
Okay.
perfect.
Maybe it'll come back. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm still on the same slide. I haven't changed the slide. So maybe it'll just come back.
Okay. Okay.
Let me try something different. Okay. Okay. Let's see if it's visible now or not. Okay. So for the employee to feel that they're working from home and it's what they're doing. So one is office hours. Secondly, there has to be a dedicated space in the home which becomes their office for now, and they need to follow that religiously. And then there has to be constant communication. They need to communicate with the business owners, the other stakeholders, clients, suppliers, whoever they need to. They cannot be working in isolation. And they need to make sure that personal distractions stay away. Now, it sounds simple, but it's not always so simple, but still it needs to be done. So in a nutshell, create an office environment at home. With the pandemic corona outbreak, millions of workers have been compelled to work from home, and the challenge is to maintain productivity when working remotely. Don't say it's not possible. 2 months ago, none of us thought we can stay locked up in our home for 4 weeks at a stretch. So think, plan, and find that part of your home which can be the perfect place to be your office. Personally, on the first day of the lockdown, which was 22nd March, on 23rd March, Monday, I transformed one room in my office, one room in my home to my office. I set up my desk, my laptop, my papers, and I get up every morning as a ritual, get ready as if I'm going to office, and I walk the few feet from my room to that room, and I am sitting and working in that room as if it's my office, isolated from anything and everything. So that's what everyone needs to do to get the feel of the office and to be able to be productive and get results when they're working. So let's move forward. So we saw the employee's perspective. Now let's look at the employer's perspective. So when we're looking at the employer's perspective, so what are the important things? So work from home can be successful if the employer slash owner, besides having a mindset, also has a plan to connect, communicate, and collaborate with controls with all the stakeholders. Now, nothing can work in isolation, and connecting and communicating become even more critical when you are working in situations like currently, where people are working from different places, different locations, and everybody is working from homes. So connecting and communication are very crucial and essential to make sure the business survives and grows and is there once this situation is over. So let's go a step further. BC, or business continuity planning, is the need of the hour for all business owners and founders. Every process of your business needs to be planned to survive and grow, even if work from home continues. How equipped are you to do it? Okay. Few thoughts. Some ways you can help, you can plan to ensure that happens. Help your employees to increase their skills, upskill, reskill, retrain, all things which would really help you ultimately. Engage them in product enhancement. Increase your client touch points. Build up the relationships with your clients. Talk to them, even if there's no work happening today. Build up the connects. Talk to all your stakeholders, whether it's your suppliers, your customers, or even your team members. Pivot and align your business to the new normal. Redefine your business goals and plans, keeping in mind the current situation which is there. It's happened for the first time. How do you know it will not happen again? How do you know how long it will last? So you need to redefine your business plan and goals based on the reality we are facing and living with today. It's the first time for all of us, but it doesn't mean it's the last time. So we need to be prepared. God forbid it happens again or it continues. Business needs to go on. We cannot stop, right? It's best to plan and be prepared. Build revenue-based teams wherever possible. I know it's not always possible, but wherever possible, build revenue-based teams. Trust your team. Don't doubt them, but keep your checks. It's a delicate balance. So make sure you are able to strike that balance, that you are trusting them, but keeping the checks so that both things work. And you yourself, as business owner, you have to make sure you have good mental health. Staying home, working out of a room, staying in a confined environment, it has its health hazards. Anxiety, depression, low feeling, uncertainty, these are all bound to come. But we as business owners cannot let those feelings overtake us. When we started business, these were all part of the game and the risk we decided to take when we started business. So we cannot let them overtake us. We need to be sure that even if these feelings come, we have the ability and the strength to handle these, manage them, and grow out of them. And lastly, make a plan how to transition from work from home to office work. Trust me, it's not going to be easy. All of us, after working from home for so long, it will not be an easy transition back to office. The way it was not easy to transition to work from home, it will be easy, same or probably more difficult to transition work from office. Make a plan so that it works and you're not caught by surprise. Work from home happened by surprise, but going back to office doesn't have to be. So plan for it. So let's move forward. So what's the next thing on the agenda? So what is the main work which all end up doing if you're working from home? So most of the work from home deals with exchanging information. Now mostly it's fluid or transactional, but sometimes it's confidential. What else do you think you can do sitting at home? You can, like we said, you can connect with people, you can communicate with them, you can collaborate with them. So all this involves either verbal communication, video conferencing, or exchanging information. Now, everything may not be confidential or something which you need to worry about. Most of it is fluid, it doesn't matter. But then there are some parts which are confidential and which you should be, and I'm sure you are concerned about. So let's see what we're talking about. So the modes of connectivity while working from home is either document exchange, chats, voice or video calls. Here we have various solutions which can help. People use emails, WhatsApp. Highlight my own product is the pathbreaker on this. So there are a lot of products we can use to help achieve this objective. Now these are not bandwidth intensive. However, there's a caveat that since most of the schools and various big organizations are shut down currently, so there are millions of children logging in to consume and generate what we call UGC, user-generated content. They are playing single or multiplayer games and watching streaming content on OTT over the top to the likes of YouTube, etc., which consume a lot of bandwidth. So you need to have a reliable high-speed net connection. And if possible, a second connection as a backup to ensure seamless connectivity. These are absolute essentials. essentials. You don't have an option. It just has to be there. Okay? For you to be able to work from home. Let's see what next. Obvious question, data bandwidth. Now, overall, a lot of data bandwidth may not be required for office work in the usual situation. But as you can see in this image, if you have people in your home who are using Netflix, YouTube, or other high need products which require a lot of bandwidth, it is going to impact the bandwidth which is available for you to get your productive work done. So you need to be prepared for that. You need to plan for that. Okay. So due to the unprecedented demand, the latency will also increase due to the load on the networks. This would lead to falling work productivity, needing technology solutions that can help the employees reduce time to information access and use. You have to plan on using resources that allow you to have information available offline without compromise on the security of the data to reduce the productivity loss as much as possible. You don't want to be working from home and suddenly you realize that, oh, you don't have connectivity. And as a result, there's no work you can do because all your data is only online. Until you do not get connectivity, there's nothing you can do. So you need to accept that this can happen and look at solutions where your content can be available to you even without connectivity offline, without compromising on the security. Imagine if your net goes down. What can we talk about your productivity? It will go for a toss, right? So we cannot have that happening. Okay, so let's move forward. What's the next thing? Data security and productivity. So there is a consequential concern of data security during the requirements of a critical mass working from home. So in such situations, when everybody is working from home, dealing with all the challenges, the distractions, the technical issues, if adequate care is not taken, there is a strong vulnerability to data and identity hacking. The average office person who suddenly is supposed to be productive working from home would need time to get up to speed and deliver optimal performance. Using multiple tools to leverage technology at home is often too complex and may require IT support at regular intervals. Now, I'm sure you understand in the current situation, it could be possible, but in limited measures because not everything can be done by telesupport. So we have to factor that in. So the business and the employee need to work together to decide the best tool to use which can enhance productivity without risking the data security. This is a new normal. Are you ready to try new products that improve productivity with the same or better security? Is there a way to engage your teams, your people, your stakeholders, and schedule events on their devices directly to boost productivity and their morals? To work on solutions to improve productivity, specific plans are needed to ensure how the employee will get access to data needed to do their work. Set up a secured intranet for the team to convey and collaborate in real time. Which tasks can be automated to improve productivity? Tips on how to ensure data security and which data is critical should be given to all employees handling data. Have tools and safeguards in place to restrict data access and prevent leakages, and thus empower the employee to work better. Now imagine if you give some confidential data to an employee and put him under pressure that be careful, nobody in your home sees this data, or takes it away and gives it to anyone else. Can you imagine the pressure you're putting on the employee? So will the employee be concentrating on the work to get better output and productivity, or will they be concentrating on making sure the data stays safe? So rather than putting the pressure on the employee, empower them. There are enough tools available which can help you achieve that. There are various cybersecurity tools. And again, Highlight has done a lot of innovation in this space and can help you in multiple ways to achieve this strength of data security. I'll talk about it a little later. So let's move forward. So the next thing we have, collaboration. So I'm sure we all agree that today's world is all about collaboration. Things have really changed from 5 years ago or even 10 years ago when we could work in silos, but today that is not an option. So the time and cost to try and integrate the fragmented work from home technology solutions is quite exhaustive. Hence the need for companies to choose the right collaboration technology tools for the employees working from home. Work cannot progress without collaboration. Look out for new technologies, disruptions, which help you collaborate and work better. Be prepared for them. Is there a way to cross-link or interconnect different formats of data from different apps and sources by common links and tags? Do you think it will help you become more productive? Explore such options. Is there a way to ensure data shared on mail or chat groups cannot be sent to non-authorized people? Look for options. Very valid reasons for employees wanting to work from home, besides the compulsion we have today due to the coronavirus. Few of these are saving on the commute. So there's a dual saving. One is the cost and one is the time. In bigger cities, Delhi, Mumbai, or some cities globally, the commute time can be really huge. And there, working from home is a huge benefit both to the employer and the employee. Additionally, no manager standing on the head of the employee. So in a work from home scenario, tasks or targets are given and the employee is expected to complete it in defined time. So they don't have the pressure of somebody asking them again and again or standing on their head. No interruptions for frivolous office banter. But let me warn you here, you also need to make sure there are no interruptions on your home front, which we discussed earlier. So as long as you have created an office environment in your home, so there would be no interruptions. And you will be able to choose your dress code. So as long as it's business-like and formal, it works. You don't need to abide by any other stringent dress requirements which might be applicable in your office. However, all this aside, the expectation for any business from the employees still remains at certain basic things. Employees need to be productive, professional, and always available. So let's summarize. What do we have so far for working from home? So you need proper technology. You need secure communication. You need to have clear tasks, targets, expectations. You need to have a way for people to communicate. You need to have a mutual trust. And you need to be able to test the effectiveness or efficacy of your entire team working from homes or remote locations. So I'm sure we realize that yes, working from home has a fair share of advantages, a few pitfalls, and we all have been doing a part of it for almost 4 weeks now, and I'm sure we all have our own experiences to share. So before I get into the QA, let me also share some details about what I mentioned in the beginning, a unique product offering we have, especially for people who are working from home and working remotely to address the challenges they face today. So let me ask you a few questions, and I want you to think about each of them if this is a problem which you are facing or you think you would face. Is your business facing any productivity challenge? Do you feel that the productivity of your teams working from home has taken a drastic fall? A fall of 10 to 15% is kind of normal. Let's stretch it to 20. If the fall is more than 20, you need to work on your workflows and your systems because there is scope for improvement. Is managing work from home difficult for you? Is there too much coordination to be done? Too many things to happening? Too many things to follow up and coordinate? How can your business survive with minimal or no loss when you're working with remote teams and working from home people? Is information grabbing and communication amongst the team difficult? Are goals and deadlines being missed? Are you facing difficulty in internal communication? So for all these concerns and questions, of course, there are multiple products which can handle some or maybe more than one of these problems. But let me talk about the product we have been successful to create based on feedback from a lot of clients like you, how all of this can be solved in one place and you don't have to go to multiple places. So presenting Highlight. What is Highlight? The unified management platform to converse and collaborate with controls. So obviously in the next question, what can Highlight do? So Highlight can potentially replace 6 different products which we all use as business owners today, almost every day. Which are the products? Communication products, which could be email of any kind. Collaboration products, which could be different IMs like Slack, Teams, or even WhatsApp to an extent. Scheduling products, which are reminders, calendars, note-taking products like Evernote, OneNote, various others. Cloud storage. I'm sure I don't need to explain what cloud storage is. We all know. We all live in the cloud age. And security. Now, these are multiple product categories which we all end up using in some small or big measure to manage our life, our days, and our work. And Highlight at one single place can do the work of 6 different product categories, and that is the foundation on which Highlight was built. And it didn't stop there. Highlight optimized the working of each of these product functions and added significant new functions and features to make their working way better than what it is today. And as a result, we have more than 20 unique functions and features which no product in the world has today, and on which we have patents filed in India, US, Singapore, and a global patent. Now, what are those unique functions and features? So I'll talk about some of them. I will not talk about all of them. So on Highlight, all kinds of information of all categories can be interconnected. So firstly, you can have all kinds of information at the same place, whether it's a chat, a text note, a reminder, a calendar, a URL, a multimedia file, or even a Microsoft Office file. All kinds of data can coexist on the same platform, which is not possible today. Not only that, all these different kinds of information can be interconnected by a single thread, which we call tags, which means you can have a chat conversation with client A connected with a note created for the minutes of the meeting, with a reminder you create for a follow-up call, with a calendar event you created for a follow-up meeting, the next meeting, with, with the URL of their website, with a video presentation sent to them for why they should use your services, to maybe a PDF file of the client's profile created by your team. So 7 different formats of data saved in different files and folders can be interconnected on Highlight. And trust me, guys, there is nobody else in the world who can do it. So if you are dealing with a lot of data and you are looking how to manage all the islands of data thrown all over the place, we can help you connect it so that you're not wasting time finding it. Okay. Next, finding data. You know, very interestingly, there was a study, I think by McKinsey, no, I'm sorry, Economic Times, which said that businesses lose up to 25% of the productive time. That is the time spent by users trying to save, search, organize, and manage all the data they have. 25%. The lowest was 20. That means 2 hours every day. That's a huge dent on productivity. On Highlight, we are on a mission, and we claim our users can save an assured 6.5%, which amounts to 30 minutes per person per day, every day. How? We make it really easy for you to find your information. Let's say you have 1,000 files on your computer or your phone or your cloud, and you need to find one. It will take you a few minutes, right? And if you have 10,000, maybe a few more minutes. On Highlight, even with 10,000 pieces of information, you can find what you want instantly, less than 10 seconds. How? Firstly, we have made our search way more powerful, and it searches all categories and formats of data at the same go. Secondly, we have a new and innovative feature. Again, we're the only ones in the world to have it, called filters, where you can filter down the data on multiple parameters, as many as 14 different parameters. So you can, let's say you can search that I am looking for all the notes I created, which were received from Mr. Ajay between 1st March and 31st March 2019, having the image file as an attachment, and I marked them with a tag of urgent and saved it in a folder called Rajat. Sounds very complicated, but when you're dealing with data, we need to find such data. It will take anybody in your office or you many minutes, maybe hours to find that data. Highlight under 10 seconds, my guarantee. That's the power we are giving you to save you multiple minutes every day. Let me ask you another question. Living in a digital world, we all flooded with data. Any given day, we receive hundreds of mails and messages. Is everything important and useful for us? No. So there was a study conducted by Gartner which said that we as users need barely 3 to 5% of the data we read or receive for any given day. To put it in layman terms, out of 100 emails you receive in a day, maybe 5 might be really important for you. Or maybe out of 100 messages you receive, again, 5 might be very useful. Or out of 20 news articles, maybe 2 might be relevant. If you had to save and manage all these unconnected pieces of information, can you think of an easy way to do it? I spoke about 3 different channels and maybe 10, 11 pieces of information. There is no easy way to do it. Highlight has a solution for that too. So basically, what I'm trying to say, we help you save time and become more productive by making information management really easy. Security. a big concern for all of us. Currently, most of us live on emails and WhatsApp. Now, as users, employers, we have a lot of data on our devices. If our device was to get lost, stolen, or if I was to leave the organization, what happens to all the information? Firstly, it stays in the device, whoever has the device. Secondly, the organization may not have a copy of the entire data. So there are two things which are happening here. Firstly, somebody who should not have the data has the data, and somebody who should have the data does not have the data. So there is a huge challenge here. On Highlight, all your information saved on Highlight can be instantly remotely removed from your device by the business. As a result, no person who's not supposed to have data, they will not have your data, and you as the business will have the data. So it takes care of your IP protection. Next, attrition is a reality in every business. People will change jobs. We cannot stop that. But every time a person changes a job, there's a huge cost the organization pays. One is the known finite cost of the headhunter, which is a defined cost. But there's a second huge unknown cost, is the orientation, settling in, and getting up to speed of the new employee, the new resource, which has a fair set of challenges. Firstly, it requires the business to allocate an additional resource to do this activity. Secondly, the level of comfort settling in or understanding of the new employee is dependent on the skills of the person doing this. And thirdly, there could be gaps in the information exchange, holes, as I call it, which make that employee not so productive going forward. Here again, Highlight has a solution. On Highlight, the entire data from the old user can be transferred to the new user seamlessly, instantly, efficiently. As a result, the new user will have all the data from day one, whether it's a chat, whether it's notes, reminders, calendars, obviously mails, files, everything. So there is no reason for the new employee not to be as productive as the last one, or to take unnecessarily a long time for this transition to happen. So you end up saving time and money both. Mind you guys, I'm not talking about all the other common features which multiple products have, because it will make this really long. I'm only talking about the key 6 or 7 things which are unique to Highlight and which are solving significant business problems when you're working with remote teams, work from home, and when you're concerned about your BCP, business continuity planning. So this entire slide is talking only about those key data points, key points, and all these are patent pending features. The next one, on Highlight, we have groups similar to WhatsApp, Slack, but there we have given an interesting feature based on a request from one of our clients, and we saw a lot of value in that. You can have a ghost user in a group, which means on a chat group on Highlight, you can have a person who's a ghost user. No one in the group knows that person is there, and that person can know exactly what's going on, what's happening, and have that idea on the pulse of the business. Very interesting, powerful. You can preempt things. Next, on Highlight, we have multi-level protection, whether it's for getting into Highlight, whether it is your data, whether it's your chats. Your chats also can be password protected and locked. You don't need to worry about your confidential chats being seen by the wrong person. You're sitting with a competitor and you don't want them to see what you discuss with someone else. So all that is possible. And the last one, on Highlight, you can organize your content and chats on multiple parameters, which means you can have sub chats. So let me tell you about a situation. Let's say you have a group for your team and you are discussing multiple things on that group. Now, after a period of time, that group and that conversation will become very long, confusing, because there would be multiple projects being discussed, multiple clients being discussed, multiple topics being discussed, and it is very difficult to connect the dots. On highlights, we have given you an option to have sub chats or threads. So for the same group, within the same group, you can have separate threads of conversation going on, very much like a subfolder. You can have a sub chat in the same group or with the same person, which makes it really easy to make sure you have all the connected content together. So that's highlight for you. So let's move forward. Some final thoughts. Work from home is a reality and it's possible. Let's accept it and let's plan for it. Let's not get fearful. The last 1 month has shown all of us, yes, it is possible to work from home. So we did not plan for it, but we did it. So now let's plan for it and do it better. Prepare to achieve your goals and win despite the toughest of situations. When we decided to do a business, nobody told us it will be easy, but it will be totally worth it. And that's why we are on this journey, right? So we need to prepare what our new goals are and have a plan and decide to win no matter what comes. Being successful doesn't only mean earning loads of money or becoming famous. Do you really think that's the barometer of success? In fact, I would that would be my first question. I would want you all to just give a reply on the chat thread. What does success mean to you? Is it money? Is it fame? Or is it something else? And if not, what is that something else? Okay, guys, let's get a message from each of you. What does the word success mean to you? Because I don't think working from home will harm or delay in any way the journey of your success. It is very possible to be successful even when you're working from home. Okay, so let's have your thoughts on the message. Okay, and when you're driven by a vision, passion, and purpose, physical, economic, locational, mental, all limitations can be easily overcome. All these are just minor hurdles if you look at the bigger picture. That is all there is to this. So my closing line is Highlight helps you get crucial business activities done remotely from work from home and ensure BCP. That's it. I'm now open for questions. I hope I was able to remove some concerns and throw more light on work from home.
Thank you, Rajat Bhai. I hope Highlight will be the next unicorn project in the upcoming future. And we'll go ahead and take some questions. If you have any questions, please you can unmute or you can message on the chat, please. Okay, Rajat Bhai, one question. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, I'm here. Yes, tell me.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
will remote
yes.
work become the new normal? Like, is it the end of the office? What do you say?
See, if we all need to grow and expand, it is a new normal in the sense we need to accept that as a thing which is becoming a reality as we continue to grow and expand, with space being limited as in floor space, it being more expensive, the commute times becoming longer, and enough tools and technology available for people to be able to work equally efficiently from the confines of their home, it is bound to become a significant factor as we move forward. Of course, it cannot replace cycle, but yes, anything which is involving uh,
Rajat bhai,
you see in a lot of European, yes,
now it's clear. Now it's clear. Please continue. Sorry.
yeah. So if I take a jab, if you see not lot of European and US companies even today encourage their employees to work from home, as there are enough studies to show that ends up being more cost effective without compromising on productivity if people are working from homes. So that model has been tried and tested and known to work. So if we need to call ourselves a world power, grow into a super nation, this is a transition which will happen. Not to all, but to many.
Still, we are waiting for other questions. If you have any questions, please you can unmute or you can put on the chat box. Yeah, I just thought from the your presentation, I have few of the clients and
Sorry?
yeah, I have few clients and they have to like maintain and storing and sharing their clients record like the clients to clients like B2B products. So how to
Mm-hmm.
secure the data and the communications
Okay.
as you mentioned there, like it's also chatbots the highlight. So how it's gonna possible and how it's gonna secure the
Uh,
chat version?
Harsh, your voice broke up in between. I'm sorry. Can you repeat the question, please?
Okay, I have few clients in my lineup, और वो जो clients की like we and they are into B2B sector. They are the manufacturers and the manufacturers and they are planning to communicate with the retailers, communicate with the distributors. So how is it possible Highlight will support them?
So, see, like I said, whether it's a manufacturer or a service provider, two things every business needs to do is manage information and communicate with the different stakeholders. And one common concern, or two common concerns, I should say, every business has is how do I make sure that the business is done in the most efficient manner possible? And how do I make sure my competitor does not get access to my critical information? So, all these four things can be done at one place on Highlight, and it works across all platforms: Android, iOS, Windows. It works across all kind of devices, whether it's mobile, tablets, or laptops or PCs, and it works no matter where you are. So we take the pain out of information management and the anxiety. You are at a meeting somewhere and suddenly you need some information. You don't need to call up somebody frantically in your office for that information because it will be there with you. So that's how we add value, whether you're a manufacturer, whether you are a service provider, whether you're a professional.
Okay, thank you. Have Mr. Shetty, RK Shetty, they just raised a hand. Is there any question?
Yeah.
Shetty? Yeah, so just we are waiting for another one question, then we'll conclude
Yeah.
our meeting.
Yes, I think is Shetty unmuted, or you need to unmute him?
It's unmuted.
Okay. Okay, probably doesn't have a question. Okay. Anything else?
Uh, yep, yep. Looks like you don't have any questions. So, is there anything else you want to cover up before the conclude note?
Now, so well, like I said, there are challenges, there are opportunities, there are lots which can be done by working from home. There are some safeguards to be done. There are multiple products which can do a lot of things. So whether it's Highlight, whether it's any other product, please take your safeguards, use the required tools which can help you uh, take care of the security threats, make you productive, and ensure that when you're working from home or remote teams, it's helping you and not harming you. So everything is possible. We just need to have the mindset, we need to make a plan, and then we need to make it work. That's all there is to it.
Great. Thank you, Rajat Bhai, and everyone. We appreciate
And
your time and you being here.
yeah, if anybody wants to connect to me or have my details, so these are my contact details.
Yeah, sure, sure. Rajat, you can just mention your email address on the chat
Yeah.
box.
Yes, my email address, my number, everything is visible here.
Okay. Thank you, everyone, again, and
Okay.
stay healthy, stay home, and enjoy your lockdown. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you.